Kansas Liquor License. Non-beverage user bond. What is a non-beverage user bond? A non-beverage user bond is a type of surety bond required by the Kansas Department of Revenue's Alcoholic Beverage Control Division as a condition for obtaining a non-beverage user license. Simply put, it's a form of financial guarantee that businesses provide to the state to ensure compliance with state laws and regulations regarding the use of alcohol for non-consumption purposes. Why is it required? The primary purpose of requiring a non-beverage user bond is to protect the state and its residents from any potential financial harm or damages that may arise from the business's activities involving alcohol. Since alcohol can have significant social and economic impacts, the state wants to ensure that businesses using alcohol for non-beverage purposes do so responsibly and in accordance with the law. By obtaining a bond, businesses essentially agree to abide by all relevant laws and regulations governing the use of alcohol. If they fail to do so and cause any harm or losses, the bond serves as a form of financial recourse for those affected parties. How does it work? Requirement. Before a business can obtain a non-beverage user license in Kansas, it must first obtain a non-beverage user bond. This is a prerequisite set by the state's Alcoholic Beverage Control Division. Application. To obtain the bond, the business must apply through a surety bond provider. The provider assesses the business's financial standing and determines the bond premium, which is the cost of the bond. Issuance. Once the business pays the bond premium, the surety bond provider issues the bond document. This document serves as proof that the business has secured the required bond coverage. Compliance. With the bond in place, the business must comply with all applicable laws and regulations related to the use of alcohol. This includes adhering to licensing requirements, maintaining proper records, and following safety protocols. Claims. If the business violates any laws or regulations causing harm or losses, affected parties can file a claim against the bond. Examples of such violations may include selling alcohol to minors, operating without a valid license, or failing to pay required taxes. Resolution. Upon receiving a valid claim, the surety bond provider investigates the matter. If the claim is legitimate and the business is found liable, the provider compensates the affected parties up to the bond's coverage amount. The business is then responsible for reimbursing the provider for the amount paid out. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.